Hi, I'm Beth Block, Block Insurance. It has been my honor to serve the early childhood education community since 1990. Over the course of those years, I have seen a tremendous number of changes in the availability and affordability of insurance for the early childhood education community. So I want to share with you a brief history and then talk about how we can empower ourselves to solve today's problems. Back in 1990, there were very few insurance companies that were willing to provide liability coverage for your community. The reason is because the first of the abuse cases burst onto the scene in the 1980s, early 80s, and insurance companies went stampeding out of this space. So over the course of the 90s, I worked with the industry to help improve commitments to safety, doing things like taking bottle warmers out of classrooms to avoid burns, putting finger pinch guards on doors to help eliminate children losing their fingers, worked on playground supervision and safety, including adequate absorption material. There were several other initiatives that you worked hard on and helped to improve the safety record, which improved profitability for insurance companies. As a result, dozens of insurance companies came running back into the space, offering more and more coverage for less and less premium. Today, we have found that we are facing the catastrophe of the lawsuits that are brought, the insurance companies' willingness to settle to stay out of court because juries give huge verdicts, not realizing that it hurts their neighbors, you, the owners of the schools. And we have also found that reinsurance rates have gone through the roof. Meanwhile, early childhood schools have lowered their commitment to safety, not because they don't care about the safety of the kids, but because they are focused on what the state requires without giving a lot of consideration to the potential for civil lawsuits and what that would mean. Today, more and more insurance companies have rushed out of the space. We find just a handful of admitted insurance companies, companies regulated by the state, still willing to offer coverage. Out of the non-admitted companies, the companies who can do whatever they want, we've seen more than half of them leave the space. Of the half that are left, rates are going up and coverages are getting hacked and reduced right, left, and sideways. So I'd like to work with you so that we can educate providers and you, the provider, on how to empower yourself and improve the situation with commitments to safety. This is Beth Block. I look forward to working with you.